Hey, what's going on? This is $10,000. This is the amount of money I make every single day. And this is the amount of money that I'll be giving away today on this live training session that I'm holding on how you can make money online using nothing more than a computer. Using nothing more than a computer to make massive amounts of money online without having to do any sales, without having to have an audience or followers or subscribers on Instagram or YouTube, without having to purchase quantities of product to go and sell on Amazon or eBay or Shopify, all this drop shipping nonsense. And without having to do any consulting, without having to speak to people or outsource work, using nothing more than your very own time, a computer, and an internet connection to make you money. Come here, come here. Let me show you how much I'm making every single day. So, I don't know. This is the amount of money. This is one of my accounts. And this shows you how much money I'm making every single day. That's $3,458.51 I made this Friday. Last week, on one day, I made $6,498. And there's an astounding amount of consistency here, if you can see this. 6,000, 4,000, 5,000. Now overall, what you can see is last month I made $339,000. This month I've already made over $299,000. But that's not important. What's important is I'm going to show you exactly how I did it, step by step by step. Once you register for this free training, not only am I going to show you exactly how I make this much money every single day, but I'm also, because I'm so passionate about this, and I'm so passionate about helping people quit their jobs and unshackle their chains that bind not their hands, but their minds by the education system, I'm actually going to be giving this money away to you and to attendees of this training as a gift for taking your life into your own hands. So if you're still watching this, sign up for one of the live trainings that I'm doing this week. This week, there should be a button or a link either above or below or on the side of this video where you can sign up, and I'll be showing you exactly step by step how I'm making this sort of money every single day and how you can too, okay? How you, using nothing more than a computer, no technical skills. You don't have to have a prior audience, followers or subscribers. You don't have to have a product. This is not e-commerce. This is not about buying products from China and shipping them somewhere. And you don't have to outsource any work. This doesn't require you to hire any employees or virtual assistants or any of that. And this doesn't require you to do any sales, any talking to people on the telephone, trying to convince people to give you money. Nothing but you and a computer to make serious amounts of money online. I'm going to show you step by step. So if you're still watching this training, sign up. There are limited spots available, and this training is for a limited time only. You'll want to hop on this. The media companies don't want me revealing this information. The education companies don't want me revealing this information. This is the answer to be free, and this is up. This training will be happening for a limited time only, and there are limited spots available. So if you are watching this, you are one of the lucky few who has seen this. You have your chance to claim a lot of money, and you have your chance to earn and make even more by starting your own business. So I'll see you on the training, and I look forward to seeing you there.